Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about command line tools for network information. This is the very basic for just knowing about networking. If you know this, I think you are in the first stage of knowing what is networking. Okay, let's go to the topic. These are the commands I'm just going to teach you about. Tell you about today. ipconfig, ping, trace route, ns lookup, netstat, path ping, ARP, address resolution protocol. ARP means route, getting a MAC address, ipconfig all, telnet, FTP, file transfer protocol. Its port number is 23. Port number is 23. Okay, why I have given port number for this alone, right? Okay, let me explain you lately. I don't want to confuse you the first. Okay, this is the basic command ipconfig. This helps to know what is your configuration, your just PC, and what is the IP of your PC, etc. Okay, just go to cmd. Okay, let me give CLS. Okay, CLS for clear screen, and okay, let's start. IP config. I'm just giving IP config, that's it. When I give IP config, you can see many details over here, right? Yeah, many details over here. In this, what is your, if you ask what is in by IP, this is the wireless LAN which I have connected, Wi-Fi. I have connected to karnia.edu, and its IP addresses, IPv6 addresses. This is the IPv6 address, and IPv4 addresses, 10.1. This thing, and its subnet mask default gateway. Okay, and then yeah, this is what you have to know it. By ethernet, yeah, this is ethernet adapter virtual box. I have virtual box with me, and this is the IP of that virtual box. IPv4 addresses 192.168.56.1, and its subnet mask is this, and it's IPv4. So as you know, IPv4 address is 8. Then this is 8 octet, totally 32 bits will be the okay. Let's move for next one. As you know, now this has been done. Okay, this has been done, so let me color it with okay, blue. ipconfig is done, so I colored it with string. Now we are going to see ipconfig/all. If you ask me what is the difference between ipconfig and ipconfig/all, ipconfig shows just a limited information, but if you give ipconfig/all, it will shows all the details about your PC or desktop, whatever it is. As you see over here, there are lot of details has been when we have seen what is my DNS suffix. DNS suffix is a karnia.edu, and the node type is hybrid. Host name, my system's name is Aju, and connection, wireless connection, asioma wireless.edu, karnia.edu, as I have shown over there. ipconfig means it will show a limited number of information, and ipconfig/all, for example, you have seen over here, right? On that time, DHCP is not shown, then DHCP server is not shown, DHCP v6 is not shown, DNS servers is not shown. But over here, when you give ipconfig/all, each and every detail is being displayed over here. And the subnet mask, lease obtained, lease expires. Okay, as because it's DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol, it changes from 30 seconds to 30 seconds. here Realtek PCFE family controller. These all things my this is a Realtek is the company, and Wi-Fi adapter. This is the name of my Wi-Fi adapter, and its physical address is this. Okay, my Wi-Fi adapter's physical address is 74E6E222OD88. Why I'm saying this, what I'm coming to say is it displays maximum all the configurations over here. Okay, now we have done 2 commands, and I'm going to next is ping. This is a very basic command, ping. Let me show you in CMD, and another type also I will show. Ping is used for just is naturally used for to see whether our system is been connected to the internet or not. For example, www.google.com. It sends 4 packets with 32 bytes each. When it doesn't reach, it says that request timed out, because it sends ICMP packet, and each packet has TTL, that is time to live, and time to live is what do you say about from network to network. Time to live varies. For example, you can make the TTL as 40, 50, how much that is milliseconds you want it. As you see, request time dot request, it shows that as I have connected to my wireless thing, I mean my Karunya thing, it won't they have been restricted it. But let me show you in another way. Okay, let me show you another way. Yeah, over here, as you can see, this is one network, and this is one network, and this is another network. I have shown over network 1, network 2, network 3, and I'm going into PC0 system desktop, and this is also like similar to CMD, that is command prompt. Over here I'm going to type ping. I'm going to ping from PC0 to PC5, that is 192.168.1.3. okay, you can see the similar thing, right? Yeah, I was given ping google.com. This is a domain name, and the IP address may differ. Over here I don't have a domain name over there in my topology, so I have given IP address. As you can see, this is my IP address I have given, 32 bytes. 32 bytes, it sends 4 packets, 32 bytes each. As I said, time to live is 125 in this network I have given, and the time is 3 milliseconds. Okay, after 3 milliseconds the packet drops. Okay, I mean TTL is 125, and the time to take to reach that particular IP address, that particular destination, is 3 milliseconds. Okay, sent 4, received 3, last 1, 25% loss, and minimum is 2 milliseconds. Minimum is 2 milliseconds to reach that destination, and maximum is 3, average is 2 milliseconds. This is all about ping command. Now, as we have seen, I'm just going to mark it as okay. Now we are going to talk about trace route. Trace route in the sense we are going to trace back where it has been come. That is normally we say it as trace route, but what is the command is tracer, TRASERT, tracer. Okay, let me give in this. It won't work, but tracer, when you give tracer, it shows what are the options available. Okay, what I'm going to do is tracer www.google, sorry, Okay, that over a maximum 30 hops it will count. That is one hop. What is my trace address? Up to 30 hops in the sense from one router to another router, to another router. If a packet pass from one router 1 to router 2, we say it as hop 1, and router 2 to router 3 we say it as hop 2. Like that it passes to 30 hops, and after 30 hops has been done, it analyzes and sends us the result. Let's see what has been going to give. As I already said, mine is a bit difficult. Okay, let it go. We'll see in our system. Okay, trace set. Okay, well, let me give the same IP address 192.168.1.3. okay, as you can see, maximum 30 hops it reaches. Within this it reaches it. This is about how the trace set works. Over a maximum of 30 hops it sends, even though it fails, but all here everything has been successful, so the trace has been completed. Like this only the trace set works. Now let's look what we have got. Oh, come on, it is taking so much of time. And let's move to another thing. Trace set. Okay, now we are going to look for NS lookup. I think we have to just wait for a few seconds, or else we will just open a new one. Okay, this new one, and type NS lookup. NS lookup. NS lookup, and I'm giving a DNS name, that is www.google.com. The server will be Paka, it will be unknown only, because for the security purpose they will be showing it. Address is 192.168.0.111. Non-authoritative answer. Address alias, it has the DNS has alias name also, that is www.google.com. This is how NS lookup will. What will be NS lookup is when you give a DNS, when you type NS lookup, it will search for, it will go for the DNS server, and the DNS, when we type IP address, it will translate to domain name, and we type domain name, it will translate to IP address. That is what NS lookup does. It contacts the DNS server, and DNS server will answer us back. Okay, let's see. No, it's taking too much time. Let's move for another. NS lookup is done. Fine. Now netstat. What do you mean by netstat? Netstat shows what are the statistics, the network statistics. That is, it displays all the active connections. Okay, I think it is displaying what are the active connections. Let's try in our thing also. No, there is no I have been not connected to any internet, so it is not showing anything. Okay, let's go for this. Let's start. Yeah, it displays all the TCP connections, that is, it displays all the active connections. And this is the local address and foreign address. Foreign address in the sense, when we to say if you are in college, the college will be having this private address and public address. Only your public address will get out of your college, your campus network. If you say it's a campus network, only your public address will go out, private address will not be contacted. That is this foreign address. Final, wait, okay, time, wait. This is how netstat works. So actually how netstat, I'm just closing it. Path ping, this is a good command. As because I am not able to connect to my internet, it is showing. Oh, my internet is not being connected. Okay, path ping over here. One 192.168.1.3. Okay, we can't able to connect, I think, as let's move to next thing. Okay, ARP is a super command. ARP is an address resolution protocol. Let's see over here. ARP. Okay, let me give first ARP alone. If you give ARP, it displays what are the options available. I'm going to give ARP. It's a normal thing. If I give ARP/all hyphen on, this hyphen A displays current ARP entries by interrogating the current protocol data. If the INET address is specified, the IP and physical address for only the specified computer are being displayed. It contacts the IRP. If I give it hyphen A, ARP hyphen A, it displays the current ARP entries by interrogating the current protocol data what is being using. If INET address is being specified and the IP and physical address, okay, what are these all the things will be we are getting it. As it inquires network, the network shows this 190.168.56.255. This is the physical address, this is the IP I have got, and these are the multicast and a broadcast address. Okay, multicast address, and these are static. This is how ARP works. The thing is, what you want to know about ARP is it displays the current entries by interrogating the current protocol data. This is what you are, as because you are a beginner, this is what you have to know. Get MAC route is nothing but we'll just route and get whatever the information you want. Just I'm going to leave that. Maybe you can try it out. Okay, get MAC. Yeah, this is the result of it. General failure. Okay, it first contacts the nearby router and then it tries to contact another nearby routers. As it be not able to contact, it comes into the conclusion that it's a general failure. The trace has been complete. This is how the tracer works. Now what we are going to see is get MAC. Get MAC is used to get the MAC address of a system. Yeah, this is the MAC address of our system. Look, this is the MAC address. What all the things which has been connected will be displayed over here. Get MAC telnet. Okay, telnet, I don't know whether I can show you over here. Okay, let me try it out. Yeah, telnet. Microsoft telnet is coming, right? This is how telnet you can activate the telnet. If you want to work the telnet, I can't show you over here, but there are some other videos of mine whether on that area you can able to see how the telnet works. First, the telnet will not be activated in your CMD, that is in your system. You have to activate the telnet by yourself by getting into the settings, okay, options, etc. I'll show you afterwards. Then FTP 23, FTP 23. You can close this. FTP is for transferring the file from one system to another system. Here FTP is given. If I press FTP will also not be configured. First, you have to configure the FTP by going and searching from the settings. You have to enable the FTP options to be on, and as well as the same to the telnet also. If I give FTP and I give the IP address, the destination address and the source address, and I can put the file which I have to transfer, and I press enter, it will transfer it to them. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any comments, if you have any doubts, please do comment it. If you like my video, please do subscribe it. Thank you.